All right, got a 2019 Nissan Murano key fob here. I'm gonna show you how to open it up if you want to replace your battery, okay? So go ahead and flip it over. Got a sliding switch here. You're gonna push to the right. All right, and then you can pull out the key. Once you have the key out, you can use a flathead screwdriver. And you have two little baby slots, one here and one here, that you can use to pry the remote open, okay? So I just stick this in here like this and just give it a little turn and it'll crack open. All right, and then you can go ahead and split the remote open. All right. So right here is where you have the battery, and you can just use your screwdriver and pull it right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery's gonna be a, see, camera CR2032. Positive sign facing down. Put it back in here like this. Contacts are on that side, so you put it in there first on that side, and you get the other half and just snap it all back together. Okay. Here, kind of click and pop, and you're good to go. If you need a battery, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box for a new battery if you need one. Just takes you to Amazon, so check that out. And there you go. That's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me.